Analysts, who combine structured prompts with their expertise, are roughly 4 times more productive than those working without AI. A cohort retention query that took 2 to 3 hours now takes under 20 minutes. But here's the thing, Analyze My Data gives you garbage. These prompts give you working code, investigation frameworks, and executive summaries you can actually use. They cover the 5 workflows consuming your hours. 1. Exploratory data analysis. Structured EDA plans that replace the 90-minute blank page problem. 2. SQL and Python assistance for commented executable code. 3. Insight narratives. Summaries that turn findings into decisions. 4. Data quality audit checklists that make your NLQ tools actually reliable. 5. Stakeholder communication, plain English statistical explanations. And this is documented. Data engineers using AI write 60% more queries per day. McKinsey confirms AI can increase productivity by 40%. Data visualization tasks complete 3 times faster with AI natural language prompts. AI human collaboration in analytics produces 30% fewer errors. AI generates the structure. You validate the logic and own the conclusion. The EDA Starter produces a 7-step plan with hypotheses to test the SQL explicable walks through clauses in the order SQL actually executes. The Python pandas generator writes a complete analysis script with visualization, and the Executive Insight Summary returns a 200-word narrative for decision makers. Safety first, never paste actual data, rows or records into consumer AI. Describe the data structure column names and type not the actual values. Second, the metric definition standardizer is a prerequisite. If revenue means 5 different things, your AI will give 5 different answers. One trick. Load a context block at the start, your role, data stack, and audience. Every prompt after that automatically understands your environment. Start with one workflow. Measure what you save, then add more. This systematic practice is where the 4 times productivity multiplier lives. AI removes friction, so more hours go toward your insights. All prompts are linked below. Like and subscribe to the AI Buzz.